Howdy, rowdy, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today is kind of a bittersweet day if you saw my post because, well, we're selling the dairy farm and we're going to be moving on to somewhere else. This is the season 1 finale. So, we're going to hop in the truck. But first, someone's coming to look at some of the dairy stuff, so we're going to deal with them. We're selling both of the combines. All the Brent wagons, all the chopper wagons, discs, spreaders, headers, planters, wagons, chopper, trailer. I think that's about all we're selling. Now we have 600 grand. That's quick. But I don't quite know where we're going to be moving to next. But my buddy down the road a little ways has a place where he can store my equipment till then. Whoa. So we're going to head to my buddy's place. Let's head over there. We might look into that farm next season. But that's the barn right there that we're allowed to store our stuff in. So we're just gonna buy different trailers. He said we could shove as much as we can in this little condom hut here. So that's what we're gonna do. Got the one trailer in now. We gotta head to the dealership because we're gonna buy another trailer and big boy trailer. A 3-wheeler. Smash. Dealership. Semi-detachable. Low boy. LTD. Flatbed, we're gonna just buy a new truck. Because we have those 2 big tractors we're gonna haul home. Because we have the MX and the 380 to haul. Alrighty, well, let's head over to the farm. So the owner of the farm, he said that it'd be okay if we charge him extra just to keep the cows because you wanted to keep the cattle. So that's fine with me. But we gotta load the big units up before anything else. Come on now, I gotta fit the other one on. No! So we got this tractor also to take, and that one. Don't worry, we'll make it stay on. We probably just gotta take it nice and slow. So let's hit the road. We're hauling. We made it. They both stayed on, so that's good. But now we gotta weevil them onto the trailer and into the barn. So that's what we're gonna do now. Perfect. We're just gonna leave the truck there for now because, well, not gonna need this truck. Now, whoops, my bad. We're gonna give him this because he wanted it. He really likes those. But now we're gonna go pick up the rest of the tractors. With the stock F350. But let's head over there. Depending on what farm we buy, we might sell lots of the tractors we're keeping right now. But I don't know yet. Let's get to the farm first. We made it. We're just gonna fold down the trailer. Load up Dad's M. We're probably not gonna get rid of Dad's M. Just cause, well, it's Dad's M, I don't think he'd be too happy about it. Lock that down, and now the last tractor. They could grab it. Lock that up. Oh, what was that? I think we got room for the four-wheeler. The dude said he just canceled. Said, hey, I don't need that four-wheeler. Because he was like, yeah, I don't need it. I mean, I'm not complaining. But I'll leave it here if it don't fit. Bet it fits. Alright, we're going to take this last load. And then, bye, dairy farm. You've been great, but it's time we move on. Goodbye. Let's head to the place. We're just arriving now. We're going to pull in this way. Oh, no. Oh, no. And now we're just going to back this in quick. We're going to get my truck out of the way quick. Now we got the trailer and now we got to put the trucks in. We should be able to get these to fit. What? Alright, there we go. Got everything in here. Shut the doors. And boom. Alright, well, this is a sad video and a sad ending. But thank you for watching. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, do all that. And new series might be out soon of like a different game save. But the next season should be out really soon. But thanks for watching. See you in the next one.